This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The fuel filter is located on the longitudinal chassis member below the right-hand rear wheel arch. Place a chock each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite the wheel to be removed. Using the tool provided in the vehicle toolkit, pull the anti-theft wheel nut cover from place. Using the anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the rear suspension arm and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the rear axle. Fully unscrew the retaining nuts and remove the wheel. Clean the area around the filter head and place a container beneath the filter. Undo the plug at the base of the filter and allow the fuel to drain into the container. Unscrew the filter cartridge from the filter head. Mop up any spilled fuel and clean the filter head mating surface. Apply a little clean fuel to the filter seal, then maneuver the new filter cartridge into position and tighten it securely by hand only. Don't use any tools. Check that the drain plug at the base of the filter cartridge is secure. Start the engine and check for leaks around the filter. There is no need to prime or bleed the fuel system following filter renewal. Locate the wheel over the hub studs. Then refit and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Raise the vehicle slightly. Remove the axle stand, then gently lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Refit the cover to the anti-theft nut and remove the wheel chocks.